Gray Maynard against Rob Emerson here at the Pearl at the Palm.
All right, guys, here we go.
Beautiful Las Vegas.
Should be a very clear strategy. Gray wants to take it to the ground. Emerson wants to stand up.
How long will it take for Gray to get there?
Good right hand by Emerson. Gray has landed some bombs.
Caught him with a knee. And
big
flying
knee by
Rob Emerson.
And Emerson went for the takedown.
Emerson was so electric, even in defeat, on the show to Nate Diaz, that when Gabe Rudiger did not make weight.
Tremendous mistake, though. He made a tremendous mistake there. He's going for an armbar, but just the idea of trying to get Gray on his back, I don't think that was a good move. I think he should have tried to keep it on his feet. But I think Gray hit him with some big shots, and I think he got hurt a little bit there.
Even though he didn't make weight, Joe, Dana White had him fight again. So Emerson was very popular, even though defeated by Diaz early in the competition.
Gray's got a hold of Emerson's leg here. Let it go.
Maynard fighting out of Las Vegas with Randy Couture's team now, formerly trained by Mark Lehman at Cobra Kai.
Emerson working for a heel hook. Gray spins out of it.
Nicely done.
Got to look out for the up kick, throws a body shot from the top. Gray looked up to check the clock, see what he's got here. A little over a minute to go.
Kind of caught a knee on the way down that time. Good job done by Emerson. Caught him with a body shot, though, did Maynard.
Gray's passed. All right, he's in side control now.
Let's see what he does with it this time. He was in this position once before. And now he's trying to work.
Emerson rolled over to his stomach. Gray's got his back.
And continues to tee off. Final minute of round number one. Maynard in control here.
This could be it.
Emerson is in trouble. Can he spin out? Maynard continues to punish.
Maynard just has so much power and control. It's that, all-American wrestlers, you get that powerful grappling strength. It's so hard to deal with. When a really strong wrestler gets you on your back, man, it's just so good at controlling bodies.
Leverage and body control, as you alluded to, Joe.
I mean, it's so hard to prepare for something like that. They spend their whole life.
Jumps right into the full mount again, now the back.
Less than 10 seconds to go.
Big shots on Emerson, but we will work our way to round number two. And round two, he's hesitant though, Joe, and justifiably so. But you know what? You can always hit the home run. He might go for it here.
All I think about when I think about a guy being hurt is Pete Sell versus Scott Smith.
Caught him. Keeping that elbow, that right elbow tight to try to protect the wound. See if he throws the right at all.
Big uppercut and a left hook by Gray.
You could hear that one in a big slam.
Huge. He's
right in the body again. Emerson showed great guts just to come out for the beginning of the second round, but Gray Maynard has won.
You know what? Gray might have hurt himself with that takedown. Wow, Gray hurt himself throwing him to the ground. Gray is hurt.
Gray might be out too.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Steve Magotti has called a stop to this fight. Neither fighter could continue, therefore declaring this fight no contest.
Wow. So they're going to declare it no contest. And Emerson got away with what was a tap. Gray Maynard is overwhelmed with emotion.
All right, Gray, you've seen the replay. You got him, first of all, at the end of the second round, you hurt his rib very badly. He went back to his corner with an injured rib. Then the beginning of the second round, you came out, hit him with some big shots and a vicious takedown. Now, in the takedown, right after the takedown, he tapped, but you were unconscious. You knocked yourself out in the takedown. Look at the replay. You're totally unconscious. Take a look at this. Look at the replay, bro. Bro, look at the replay. You picked him up, watch the dump, bang. You hit your head down, now watch this. You're out. Watch this.
He's done right there.
He is done, but so are you. You're unconscious. Look at you roll over. You're completely unconscious. Your eyes, I understand, but your eyes were rolled back in your head. You were out cold.
No, I wasn't.
Did they tell you what happened, or did you know you won right away?
I remember sitting in the corner. He tapped. I thought it was over. I rolled over. Of course, I'm a little tired. I roll over, I'm fine.
Okay, let's play it through again. Let's play it through again, Greg.
Here it is.
Okay. I'm still going. Right here, tapped. I rolled over. He jumped in, my arm's under the thing.
You're out.
My arm was under his back. Look. Arm is under
You
the
see your head land right there. You see that impact.
So he tapped, I was done. I was waiting for my arm to
The
get
referee is saying that you were unconscious. He was right next to you. Your eyes are rolled back in your head.
He was waving Emerson off. I don't understand this, man. I'm dead serious.
We thought that it was a victory. We thought that even though the fact that you were out, he tapped.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I rolled over after he tapped.
But what they're saying is because you were unconscious with the takedown, that it's a no contest.
But I'm not unconscious. You don't understand what I'm saying.
So you're saying that you were never unconscious?
Never.
So you knew that he had tapped, you knew it was over, and you thought you just won, and you were tired.
Just rolled over. My arm was under his back. He tapped. I was waiting for him to get up, and that was it.